Lima House by Pietro Terlizzi Arquitetura in Limeira, Brazil. Built from scratch, this 400 square meters house located in the heart of São Paulo, Brazil, has 3 levels, a garage on the lower floor, a social area on the ground floor, and a private wing on the upper floor. The concept was to provide all the warmth and brightness of a beach house in the city, using natural materials such as stones, wood, and bricks. The recreational complex is comprehensive and includes a barbecue area, an outdoor swing, and a pool with a suspended deck and spa. The high ceilings allow for abundant natural light and cross-ventilation. The highlights of this project include the gourmet balcony, exceptionally pleasant. This area is integrated with the internal spaces of the house and the pool, but it can also be isolated by simply closing the sliding doors with a span of 9 meters. Following the material palette of the interior, the gourmet balcony features brick walls, and the presence of wood in the furniture, as well as in the structure of the garapira wood ceiling beams. The abundance of natural light and the greenery of plants complete the coastal style. For the gourmet balcony, a special detail was created. The staircase leading to the upper floor extends a bit outside the house, creating a landing that offers a beautiful view of the barbecue area for those walking through the space. In the recreation area, the pool is inspired by the renowned Brazilian architect and landscapist Roberto Burle Marx, featuring straight and curved lines in both the floors and the landscaping designs, truly resembling a lake area where there are no linear traces, making it a modernist and enjoyable pool area to relax and admire. The suspended walkway has a floor that mimics wood, while the area around the pool is paved with natural São Tomé stone. The space also includes a swing attached to the pergola, where the orchidarium is also located. An interesting fact about the house project is that the pool was built even before the residence design. With the intention of resembling a lake, the architect also executed organic landscaping around it. Regarding the elements and color palettes used in the project, many natural elements such as stones and woods, in a clear mood board with details in frejo, are present. The house has few internal walls, creating a sense of greater amplitude and continuity without any visual obstacles.